Good morning to all. Welcome to Enunciate Academy. Today I am going to explain syllabus of Sainik-Navodya and RMS. Okay. My name is Kumari. I am teaching you GK. First of all, when we see what is the syllabus, first one, abbreviations. These abbreviations go only for the RMS. Okay. For example, they give shorter chemical name AZ. Okay, AZ for Argentina. These type of questions come from abbreviations. Okay, and the second one is art and culture. In this art and culture, we see subtopics: music, classical, folk dances. Okay, renowned personalities and instrumental vocal music and major dance forms. It is the syllabus only for Sainik, and then some of the syllabus RMS also, like a classical dances of India. Okay, there are 8 classical dances in India. Okay, for example, Bharatanatyam, Mohiniyattam, Kathakali, Odissi, Kathak, Manipuri, Satariya. These are the classical dances. It is for the RMS. Okay, and then next one, atomic power stations. How many atomic power stations in India? In India, there are 7 atomic power stations. Okay. The atomic power stations cover RMS. Okay. It is not for the Sainik. It is only for RMS. Okay. And then awards. Okay. Awards. It is cover RMS and Sainik also. When we see subtopics awards and Indian literary cultural awards, name of the awards and recent recipients. Okay, this is cover both RMS and Sainik also from this concept. And then next one is books and authors. Who wrote that books? Okay, write that questions from this concept, books and authors. Okay, it is covers RMS. Okay, it is from the RMS and not isn't there in the Sainik. Okay, and then next one, committee and commission. Okay, committee and commission. In this concept, questions come from the RMS only, not for Sainik. Okay. And when we come to 7th concept, constitution. Constitution, it is a syllabus for the RMS, okay, not in Sainik. And 8th concept, cooking and preserving techniques. Cooking and preserving techniques. It is syllabus for the only Sainik. Okay, it is syllabus for the only Sainik, not in RMS. Okay. Bhargav Sai, good morning. Jogara. Okay. And then next one, 9th concept, countries, capitals, and currencies. Okay. It is for the RMS. Okay. We already discussed last time also. Maybe coming Sainik. Okay. Countries, capitals, currencies. It is asked generally RMS exam. Okay. And then next concept, defense. Okay. In this defense, subtopics are equivalent ranks in 3 services, weapons, aircraft, missiles, warships. Okay, elementary awareness. It is asked both Sainik and RMS. Okay, defense is asked both Sainik and RMS also. Okay, and the next one is economics and population. Economics and population, it is for only RMS, isn't there in Sainik. Okay, and then we comes to 12th one, environment and pollution. Okay, environment and pollution. This is the concept is only for RMS, isn't there in Sainik. Okay, and then next one, evaporation, condensation, and water cycle. It is asked generally from Sainik. Okay, you already know about this topic. Very easy concept. Okay, and the next one is 14th one. Everyday life with water. How use water in everyday life? Okay, it is concept to is for Sainik only. Isn't there in RMS? Okay, and the next 15th one. First in India. First in India. This is a concept for only RMS. Isn't there in signing? But we know about this concept also. Okay. Last session. And 16th one, food, culture, habitat, languages. In India, basic concept they ask generally, and it is only for Sainik. Okay. Isn't there in RMS? And when we comes to next concept, functions of body parts of plants and animals. Functions of body parts of plants and animals. It is only for Sainik. Okay. And then games and sports. When we comes to sub-concept games and sports terms, sports, sports and games in India and world. Renowned personalities, major competitions, and trophies associated with various games. It is cover both Sainik and RMS exams. This concept, games and sports. We should learn all these sub-concepts. Okay. And 19th one, general science. 19th one, general science. General science covers only RMS. Isn't there in Sainik? Okay. It covers general science RMS. And then 20th one, germination and seed dispersal. Okay, germination and seed dispersal, it is only Sainik. Okay, and the next one, historical monuments. It is also for Sainik only. And then 22 concept, history and geography. History and geography, it is asked generally for RMS exam only. Okay, isn't there in Sainik? And the next one, icons and symbols for India. What are the symbols? Okay, national insignia, national emblem, sports, animals, flower. Okay, like this questions asked from this concept. It is a syllabus for the only Sainik. Okay, and we comes to 24th concept, important days. What are the important days in a year? We should learn for RMS exam only. Okay, and next concept, important towns on rivers. Okay, important towns on rivers. Okay, it is asked generally from RMS. And when we comes to next topic, Indian important facts. What are the important facts in India? Okay, it is generally asked in RMS. And when we comes to next concept, Indian literary and cultural personalities, name and fields achievements. Okay, these are the subtopic. It is also from Sainik only. It's in there in RMS. Okay, and the next one, international organizations. What are the international organizations? And basic knowledge about the structure, functioning, objective of United Nations, World Bank, etc. This is the concept cover Sainik only. Okay, then okay, and the next one, inventions and inventors. Okay, inventors and inventors. This is the concept generally RMS and sometimes Sainik also. Okay, so we should learn all these concepts, inventors, inventions. And life of farmers. The next concept is life of farmers and farming techniques. It is a concept cover Sainik only. Okay. And then we comes to next concept, major religions of India. Major religions of India, elementary awareness about founder, place of origin, religious books, and important ideas. Okay, it is a concept for only Sainik. Then comes to next concept, mountain terrain and lifestyle. Concepts on a mountain terrain and lifestyle. It is only for Sainik. Okay, and then national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in India. National parks, wildlife sanctuaries in India, it is cover only RMS. But we should learn other than Sainik syllabus. Okay, like national parks and wildlife sanctuaries already we know about this concept last session. Okay, and natural calamities. What are the national calamities? Number of natural calamities is there, but what we learn only flood and earthquakes. How the form floods and earthquake. What are the causes? Okay, like this concept we should learn for Sainik. Okay, and then next concept, non-renewable energy resources like fossil fuels. It is for only Sainik. And then comes to next concept, popular persons and places. Popular persons and places, it is also only in RMS. Okay. And next one, relationship between animals and human beings. It is asked generally in Sainik. Okay. Relationship between animals and human beings. And then comes to next concept, science and health. Okay, science and health, it is also RMS and different types of scientific devices used in daily life. It is asked generally in Sainik exam. Okay, and next concept, shape of the earth and gravitation. Basic concept is it is from the Sainik, and the next one, some historical events and landmarks. Okay, it is RMS. What are the historical events and landmarks? And when we comes to next concept, some important geographical terms. Okay, we should learn for RMS exam. Okay, and last one, states of India. How many states of India? How many union territory of India? And their capitals also. Okay, we should learn all these things for RMS exam. Okay, and then next one, super senses. Okay, how do plants and animals sense their surroundings? Okay, it is cover Sainik exam only. And then we comes to next concept, taste and digestion. Taste and digestion, basic concept is it is for the Sainik. Okay, and then traditional water harvesting techniques, it is for Sainik only. And tribal communities and forest producers. What are the tribal communities? How many tribal communities in India? Where are they located? What are their livelihood? Okay, and what type of forest producers they collect? Okay, like these questions asked from this concept. It is only for the Sainik. Okay, and next concept, union territories. How many union territories is there in India? Okay, what are the capitals? Okay, and about their administration. Like these questions asked from this concept, RMS only. Okay, it is only for RMS. And then we comes to next concept, water pollution and microbial diseases. What are the water pollution and how many types of water pollutions and what are the microbial diseases? Okay, these are concept for Sainik only. Is it there in RMS? Okay, and next concept, young ones of animals. Okay, young ones of animals, name of young ones, different animals. It is asked generally from Sainik exam. This is the syllabus for Sainik and RMS. Okay. Do you have any doubts about these concepts, Bhargav Sai and Jogara? So I hope to understand these concepts. Okay, and thank you to all. Have a nice day. Thank you.